Hello good people, I'm Chef Henrik and I wish to present to you the Taste to Taste show, which is something that has been in my heart for a while. I've been thinking of a way to share how to prepare different meals in Kenya, Africa and across the globe in the simplest way possible. And I feel this is the right time, so I welcome you on board as we begin this culinary journey together. So today being the first episode of the subsequent ones to come, I wish to present to you a meal that is so dear to me, called Mexican rice or Spanish rice. Maybe many of you have heard of it, but I just wish to take you through the simplest process and procedure to come up with a very good meal in the shortest time possible. So the ingredients that are needed in making the Mexican rice are carrots, then we have the bell peppers or capsicum, the yellow one, green and red one that can be purchased at any green store. Then we have garden peas, which will also be used in the rice. We have the rice, I'm using RANEE, which is the chef's special. Parboiled means that it's easy to cook, and I love it because it's not sticky and it cooks fast. So this is what we shall be using. I shall be cooking 1 kg of it. Then we have soy sauce, which is more of a food coloring and adds taste to the rice. We also have the egg yellow, which is the food color, which adds a good presentation to the meal. Makes it more colorful, together with the green, yellow and red bell peppers. Then we have salt, which is a must to be used in any meal. So we are good to go with that. Then definitely we have cooking oil, and yeah, that's it. Some dhania or coriander for garnishing after the preparation of the rice. I believe I've mentioned everything. Of course, water. Then today I shall be serving the Mexican rice with this minced meat or beef and some cabbages. So what I'll be needing for the minced meat are tomatoes, onions, some ginger, garlic, and seasonings. We have salt. This is the Himalayan salt. Doesn't necessarily have much difference from the normal table salt. Then I have black pepper. There is curry powder. Then I have garam masala here, which adds a good taste to the meal, sure. Then I have chili beef cubes, some chili beef cubes to add a flavor to the meal. Yeah, first things first, I'll be soaking my rice to make it easier to cook, and so that it may not take a long time to be good to eat. So I'll use 2 to 3 glasses of water to soak my rice. The next step after soaking the rice is the chopping of the ingredients used in making the Spanish rice. I will begin with the carrots. So I'm using 3 carrots, medium size for the 1 kg of rice. I'll be cutting them into cubes, although there is also another style of cutting called juliennes, but I'll not be using juliennes today. So these are juliennes. These are juliennes when they are still straight like this, but for today I shall be using cubes. So we cut the carrots into cubes. Next we shall be chopping the bell peppers. So this is how you remove the seed and you pluck it out. So I will be using 1 of each because of the 1 kg rice, but there is never a limited number to this. The more colorful you want your rice to be, the more you may use 1.5. After chopping our bell peppers and carrots, we shall go to the pan, where first we add 4 drops of cooking oil. After that we add the bell peppers, yellow, red and green ones. Then we add the carrot. So while blanching the bell peppers and the carrots, we do not cover the sufuria because we do not want the bell peppers to lose their coloring. Once you cover them, the steam usually discolors the bell peppers. So you blanch them while they're still open. Then to that you'll add your garden peas. You add your garden peas and stir for a while. To this I shall use 3 teaspoonfuls or 4, let's say 4, so that if you're using a tablespoon, you can use 2. So that's what you use. Soy sauce, just to give color to the rice. Then I have the egg yellow, this food color, the liquid one. I shall add 3 drops. After that I shall add my rice that is soaked. I will add rice to then you stir the rice. I shall add my salted water to the rice, 3 glasses, to let the rice cook. After cooking the rice, we are heading to minced meat, beef. After chopping the onions, the tomatoes, the coriander, and also crushing our ginger and garlic. For that I added 2 drops of oil. To that I added onions, precisely 2 bulb onions. Then I added the crushed ginger and garlic and let them cook to golden brown. Cooking to golden brown, I added my tomatoes, cut together with the coriander, and let them cook. While cooking, you stir the tomatoes and coriander to fine particles, so that the particles may be the same size or smaller than the minced meat. After our minced meat, we head to the steaming of the cabbage. The cabbage I shall steam it using cooking oil and onions. So I cut 1 bulb of onion and stir fried it in 3 drops of cooking oil. After the onions cooking to golden brown, I added my cabbage, quarter the cabbage, and let it cook for 5 minutes, in open air. Yeah, so after steaming the cabbage, the meal is ready to be served. Thank you for keeping me company through this session. I look forward to meeting you guys next time, and looking forward to your support also. You can comment down below what you wish me to prepare or what suggestions you can give to make the cooking better. Thank you.